All right, zip it up. We're gonna do a little recording.
Oh, sorry.
No more.
Didn't know that.
That's okay. No four-letter words for about 10 minutes.
Right.
Not that long. All right, well, we are finishing up our job here, and the last thing we did was we took these, well, the first thing we did, I should say, was we took these off the top of the chimneys. They were supported by 4 columns of stone, one on each corner, and we've actually repurposed them, and they're going to now serve as the crown on the fireplace, so that the water drips off the edges of them, and it protects the chimney real well. So we've set these up here with the forklift last week, and we actually cut a little groove down underneath here to prevent the water from traveling all the way back to the stone. And now we're putting on the grout, which is going to seal the whole thing down to the chimney. And we're using a grout bag here to do that. And works way better than a trowel. So the other thing that we've got done up here is the damper. We didn't put the same damper in that was in here. The old damper was called a throat damper. It's down in the inside of the firebox, and actually was causing some problems because it was located too low. And we have used a rooftop damper here that is made by a company called Lyman's, and it's weighted so that it actually kind of opens itself, and it's closed by means of a cable that runs down and is located in the firebox, and we'll be connecting that up later. But you simply pull down on the cable and it closes the damper when it's not in use. And then the last thing that we're going to do to make sure that no animals or critters or anything go down the inside of it, we're going to put this nice copper rain cap over the top of it, and that's fastened down with some screws, which we had to replace because they weren't long enough. But anyhow, that will finish off the outside work on the chimney.